Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga post ni David Licauco kaninang umaga. Mukhang may shoot siya sa basketball court. At sabi nga ni Nathan Perolino ay endorsement shoot daw for today. At ito pinost naman ni Explore with Vince kanina sa kanyang FB page. David Licauco with Explore with Vince at Kuya Korea, SM Clark. At ito naman post ni Keboy 19 hours ago, Fidel sa TikTok. Let's watch this.
Kanta ko kay David Licauco. Huwag kasi nakakahiya. Sige na, you're so gorgeous. Ayan na.
Ayun na nga guys, so kung kasama si Dustin nyo, ibig sabihin, alam nyo na, lasingan ang magaganap. At yun na nga, akala ko magmamano talaga si David, medyo bumahawa yung konting yung ulo niya, medyo yumuko siya, no? Anyway, post ni Barbie Fortesa, like by David Licauco of course, something cooking with Maggie. I had so much fun at Nestle Food Creator Network launch. Can't wait to share with you the new episodes with Cook with Magic. Abangan. Oy, magkakaroon na sariling channel ang Nestle Food. Grabe. Sana more Cook with Magic with Barbie and David. At gusto ko rin yung collab with Melay and Barbie and Barbie and Judy Ann and Melay. Grabe. I still love that. At yan na nga, more pictures of Barbie nung nagreklamo nung nagpapaluto pa si David. Di ka parang natikman yung luto ni Barbie. Next naman ay post ni Likhatsi Club. Sabi niya, PS, watch out for a very important reveal. A singer-actress in a very special role. Alam mo kang may guest appearance din si Julie Ann San Jose dito. Kasi sa GMA, wala naman yata singer-actress. Ang alam ko singer-actress lang ay si Regine Velasquez at saka si Sarah Geronimo. So, palagay ko si Julie Ann talaga to guys. Abangan natin. Grabe. At next naman ay post ni David Licauco, ready for the finals? And what better way to celebrate it with a glass of Hennessy this coming NBA Finals. Get the new Hennessy NBA Season 4 limited edition bottles at Hennessy Pop-Up Ground Floor Mega Fashion Hall SM Mega Mall from June 15 to 30. Ayun na nga guys, kung gusto nyo uminom habang nanonood ng NBA Finals, ayun ang pakagwapong si David. At syempre pag inuman, magaling si David dyan. Sila ni Dustin. Ayan, Hennessy. Ay, ang ganda ng bola, no? So nice. I so love it. At next naman ay post ni Joan Pinote. Ito raw yung ginawa ni David. New endorsement shoot daw, sabi ni Joan Pinote. So congratulations, David. At sabi niya, gwapo kahit malayo. Ayan na nga. So, ang mga chismis noon ay Biogesic yata or Cebuana or Oppo. But we're not sure. Nanguhula lang ako guys based sa mga chismis. Anyway, post ni James Licauco sa kanyang TikTok account. Let's watch this. Ayan na nga si James at ayun may pa-cloud. At napaka-cute niya, no? At saka, si James, meron siyang itsura na, parang matalino siya, no? Ganun, no? Cute pero matalino. Hindi katulad si David. Cute lang. At next nga ay mga post ni James Licauco sa kanyang Instagram story. Ayan na nag-hiking sila at yan, Station 3. At mukhang pagod at pawis na si James dito, guys. At ito ay Station 1. At naka-compression pants nga si James. And guys, trees. At yan, 1 kilometer daw. At yan, maganda yung view sa taas, diba? Ito sila magkakaibigan. I like that, grabe. Parang siya. Parang siyang mini rapids, no? Ang ganda. At ito, may puso pas pala sa taas. Yun na nga si James. At may aso silang nakita, Askal. At ito ang post niya, Mount Daraitan, you were something. I did so many different kinds of squats going down and I swear I could not do before you as a first time hiker. You were definitely not the wisest choice, but you were a memorable one. What a way to celebrate my birthday with nature. To more first. Swipe to see our tour guide, photographer, videographer, Tatay Epifanio. 10 out of 10. Ayan na nga, sila James and Friends. At yan, napakagwapo si James. May mga clouds. At yan. In fairness, mukhang enjoy si James, no? So, dapat pala pag nag-hiking ka, naka-gloves ka din. At yan na nga. O, diba? Cute. O, diba? Nakasmile pa. Oh, ang cute siya lang talaga, no? Cute nila ni Dave. Ay, grabe, ang dami niyang pawis. Pinag-pawis siya ng todo. Parang sarap dilaan ng pawis. Mukha. Pero mandidiri siguro kayo pag nakita niyo kung ginawa ko yun, no? Grabe. At ito naman, ito mukhang nakikipaglaro si David dun sa isang bata sa Kuya Korea. At ito naman pinipicturean niya isang bata sa Kuya Korea SM Clark. Lahat yan, guys. And lastly, this was my post 1 year ago. So, akala ko talaga si Barbie yung nami-miss niya nung mga time na yon, maybe. Pero ngayong nandyan na si I'm not really sure, guys, kung si Barbie nga yun. But anyway, this was a good video. I so love it and I was so kilig at first. Let's watch this.
David Likako timeline. For the past 2 days, I was wondering why is David not on the latest pictures of his family's vacation in Australia. Then we suddenly found out that he didn't advise his fans about his arrival. It all started with his post "Wish you were here." Then later on he was tweeting Philippine Airlines about flight rescheduling at around 11:27 p.m. Then on June 7th, 8:11 p.m. he was tweeting an airplane departure but were based on his previous pictures and his playlist. Little did we know that he might have already boarded the plane going to Manila. His brother James through his Twitter live said that their family is going back on the 11th. On the 9th at 5:58 p.m. David posted IMYSM meaning I miss you so much. But there were evidences that David was already in the country that time. A woman posted this picture earlier yesterday saying she saw David in UP Town Center. And my friend said David posted yesterday on the Strava running app. So if he is already in the country, who is this girl that he misses so much even if he is already here? Why can't he just go to her and tell her directly? I think we all know who she is. Ha ha. His handler also seems unaware that David is already in the country. She posted that David will be arriving on the weekend on TikTok. But later on Twitter welcomed David back. This morning David posted reading a book on his condo. David is so low-key.
So yun na nga, guys, medyo nalito-lito nga ako. Simula nung sinalubong ni Jack at si Barbie sa airport at binidyo ng mga David troops, mukhang ayaw na ni David na sinusundo ng mga fans niya simula nun. Kasi nga medyo nabash nga si Barbie noong mga panahon na yun at ang dinig ko ay ayaw nga ni David na nababash si Barbie. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!